Hey dolls, so we are back and this is going to be another bougie on a budget video for you dolls. I know y'all love these because I love them, so we're just going to jump in. We have some really cute pieces in this video. I'm going to include a mixture of things in here because some things are kind of all over the place and I didn't want to just separate it and do one individual thing if it doesn't really go together. So yeah, let's jump into this video. Okay, so this is the first item right here, and this is a Chanel inspired backpack with the clear. They do have this with the actual logo, but I got this one from Aliexpress. It doesn't have the logo, and I was gonna purchase the one with the CCs. I didn't see it on Aliexpress, but they probably have it there as well. But I decided I would just get this one and try it out because I'm not really a person who usually wears like white bags. So I was like, let me just test it out first. If I love it a lot, then I'll go ahead and purchase the one with the CC logo. But I picked this one up just for now, just to see how I would like it. And this is the first day I actually wore it. It does have the chain strap just like the Chanel one does. And then on the back, you have the chain strap as well as the leather strap. This material is really soft. I'm not really sure if it is actual leather, but this is the bag in white. It opens up here. I did use this one today. So up here, I just have like my wallet and like some lotion and stuff like that up at the top. And then I have my keys up there. And then at the bottom, this opens up as well. So you have a larger compartment down here where you can put more items. I have my vlogging camera because I did vlog. I went to go get my nails done today. And the designs that I use for my nails and just a few other random things like my lip products and stuff like that, I put at the bottom. So I just thought that was really cute. And you can pull the strap. Whenever you pull the strap on this one, it is not like the regular Chanel backpack that has the little chain. This one actually does go down, so you would wear it on your shoulder like a regular shoulder bag, but then you still have the straps on the back. So I don't know, I'm not crazy about that. I do wish that it was kind of made more so like the regular Chanel type backpacks, but I believe even the one with the Chanel logos is made like this as well with the whites. So you can wear it as a backpack, you can wear it as a shoulder bag, so it's kind of like 2-in-1. But yeah, I thought it was really cute and I wore it today, so yeah. Along with that one, I really wanted a yellow bag and I picked this one up, but this one is definitely more of like a slime yellow type color. Like it's kind of more of like a yellow green color. So this is how this one looks, and I think this one will also be cute just to add like a fun pop to like a plain outfit. Like maybe you're just wearing denim or like black or something like that and you just want to add like a pop of color. This is a really pretty color. It's definitely more of a yellow green. It's not like a true yellow like I thought it was. These also do come with straps that you can get in like the gold, but the classic Chanel that is made like this has the silver, so I just went for that. But I thought this color was really cute and it's made exactly the same. It's just in this yellow greenish type color. And whenever you get it, it does have like a little air pocket in the top part to kind of make it stay in its shape. And at the bottom, the other one did have one in there, but this one doesn't. So it's kind of a little bent. But once you put your stuff in there, it will, you know, hold its shape really nicely. So I just thought this one was cute as well. Like I said, I thought it was going to be like a really nice bright yellow because I have some shoes that I really wanted a yellow bag to wear with them. But this is definitely more of a green yellow type color. So I think this is super cute just to add a fun pop of color. And it just has the silver chain detail with the strap woven in between it, so really cute. I like this color as well. Super cute. So yeah. Okay, so then this next item I was going to wait because I did order this in 2 colors, but the black ones actually got canceled. Let me just tell y'all a quick little story. So the black ones got canceled. I did order them from a different seller than these particular ones. The white ones that I'm going to show you, I only paid like $16 for them, but they are a dupe of some Gucci shoes, but these don't have Gucci on them at all. So, you know, you just get it for less, and I'm pretty sure the quality is not as good. But they also do have black ones as well. So I found the black ones from another seller and I was going to pay around like $26. So it was definitely, you know, a little bit more than these were, and it didn't really make sense because it's the same damn thing. But they canceled my order because with this particular seller, the first seller, they did have the black, but I waited and I was like, do I want these? Do I not want them? And by the time I was ready to buy them, they didn't have the black anymore. So I was searching for all kind of sellers to find the black, and when I did, they were more expensive, but they ended up canceling my order because they said they didn't have them available. Now, a few weeks have passed since then after my order got canceled, and I just kept searching for them, and all of the sellers that I was finding was really expensive, more so around like $100 or $80 for them, and I was not going to pay that much for them. And that was after these came and I really wanted them. So I did find another seller, so I will link that down below. The black ones haven't came yet, but you can imagine it's the same exact thing. So yeah, the black ones I still ended up paying around $25, $26 for, but we will see if they actually come, and I will put it down below for y'all. But this is the white ones, and these, they don't look that cute, but whenever you put them on, they are so cute. And chunky shoes are in right now, and I just thought these were really cute with the stones and bling. Y'all know I love my bling. And these are a dupe for some Gucci ones. I did go into the Gucci store and actually look at the Gucci ones, and my boyfriend was like, I don't like those because they kind of look like old lady shoes in a way, like some sandals that your grandma would wear or something, but more blinged up, and they're definitely popping. Like, I really like these. So I haven't worn them yet, but one thing I did notice about them is that my foot kind of slides because this bottom part is also kind of like a leather material, so it doesn't really grip onto your feet. So I will probably add like one of those little silicone inserts to keep my feet from sliding up, and then I think I will be good. And also with the strap, whenever you unstrap it, because it is Velcro, this piece does not come out because it is blinged right there. So you just kind of have to slide your foot in, and it does, you know, it does have some give to it, and my foot is able to go in easily. And then you just put it on and adjust the straps, and you can tighten up these straps as well if you want to make them a little bit tighter or looser or whatnot. So really cute. This part kind of has like some mesh detailing, and then the bling that is on the front is encased in like a gold type of color, and then on the sides you have these little stars, and around the stars it does have silver. So I feel like with this, I would totally wear this like with my silver jewelry if I want to, or if I want to put on gold jewelry, I can do either or, because it kind of has both, but it mostly has the gold, and I think it just makes it stand out even more. They had some other ones with bling with like a silver, but they weren't the Gucci inspired ones, so I just went for these. And like I said, it doesn't have any name on the shoe at all or at the bottom. These are a size 38, which is equivalent to like a size 7, and they fit me perfectly. So, you know, I usually wear a 6.5 or a 7, so that can kind of help you to gauge what size you need. So I picked these up, and I just thought they would be really cute with like jeans, capris, shorts, stuff like that, or just like cute little crop tops, or even also like some all-in-one type outfits that I have, like jumpers and stuff. I thought it would be really cute with stuff like that. These are super cute. I love these. Okay, so then I have some more items right here. I put them in this bag from Rainbow. Picked up these little jelly bags. So if you dolls watched one of my other videos, I think it was my shoe haul or something like that, I'll probably go grab the bag to show a comparison of it. Matter of fact, let me just go grab it. Okay, so like I was saying in one of my other videos, I showed this bag, and this one is kind of like a Hermes type style bag, and the words on it are in French, and this is the larger size of this bag, and I think I paid around $20-$30 for this one. So I was like, let me pick up the smaller one because I've just been loving small bags lately. So that is this one. I will link this one down below as well. It's also from Aliexpress. Like I was saying, I was trying to pick up the smaller ones of that particular bag. Now this was really inexpensive. I think these were only like $6 or something, and I should have already knew right then that it wasn't going to be the same exact thing, because this material is very nice and good. This material, however, is very thin. I mean, it's still plastic, but the other one is a better quality. This one is more thin and flimsy, but it's still cute, but it's not what I was expecting. This one does come with a strap. The strap is on the inside, and this one is supposed to be clear, but it definitely looks more white, like it's not see-through like this one. So I don't know if I want to keep this because it's not really what I was expecting. So I guess if I want the smaller one, I'm gonna have to pay, like, I think the smaller one was really like $15, but this one was only like $6. So it does come with the strap. You can add the strap on there, and it's just a cute little bag. Like, this is definitely great for summertime and stuff like that. It's also cute if you have a small daughter or whatever and she just likes little bags. Like, this will be cute for a kid as well. And they can make the strap like a little crossbody or whatever for them also. So this is the white one because it's supposed to be clear, but it's white. And it does come with a little insert to help keep the shape of the bag. So that is that one. Back to the yellow train. Like I was saying, I wanted something yellow. This one is see-through, as you can see. So I do like this one better because you can actually see through the bag. But it's still a thinner material. But this one is, I like this one better than the clear or white one. So this is the yellow one. It's the same. And this just opens like this, and it opens up. It doesn't even have those two little pieces. Like on this one, whenever you open it, you have to open these pieces as well, which can kind of be annoying. So maybe some people prefer not to have these extra little pieces, because every time you close your bag, you have to put all those straps and everything on. But yeah, yellow one, the strap is also on the inside again. And then next, I also picked up a pink one. This is the pink one. I think the pink is so cute because it's just Barbie-licious. Out of all of them, I like the yellow and the pink the best. This one is see-through, but it's not super see-through. Like, it's definitely more coated. It's kind of more so like the white or clear one, but you can still see through it a bit. So this is the pink one. The strap is on the inside once again, and you have the little top handle. Okay, so then next, I also picked up some other shoes. And I got some that are Versace inspired. These, I don't think they're inspired by anything, but I'm just going to throw them in because why not? So this is the first pair. These are like a snake skin type of print. And you have the little strap across the foot. And then you also have a clear strap here. And then you have the little heel. With these shoes, whenever I seen them, I did think that the heel was more like an average height type heel. But this is definitely more of like a thick kitten heel. Not really into kitten heels, but I think the shoes are cute, and these type of chunky shorter heels are in right now. So this is how they look, and I just thought the colors were cute and everything. Like, you could just pair this with something black, and they're definitely more comfortable. Like, you can wear this in the daytime and still be good if you just want to wear some heels. But y'all know I usually be wearing like my little cute sandals. So this is this pair, or both of them together. I got these in a 38 as well, which is equivalent to a size 7. And these came from the same seller, and originally this is like the main thing I wanted. So I picked these up, and these are like dupes of the Versace ones. It doesn't have anything across the front though, of course. But they do have these on like the Ego and Semi website, I believe. So yeah, very similar. But this is how these look. They have the yellow in the front, and then you have the black and white snake skin at the bottom and around the back of the shoe. And then you have like this really pretty hot pink heel. The material on this is not the best. Like, once I got them, I was like, these are made really cheap, but I didn't pay a lot for them. I think they were under $20 or around $20. So this is how these look. I think these are okay, but the next pair that I got, I really don't care for, so I'll probably post them on my site to sell. So these are the next ones. These were supposed to be a hot pink with a very pretty turquoise blue. This is definitely more of a royal blue, and this is red. Like, this is not pink at all. It's red. I don't know how it's coming up on camera, but it's definitely a red color, and these just give me red, white, and blue tees. I don't really wear a lot of red. Sometimes I try to make myself wear red just to incorporate it into my wardrobe more. But yeah, I'm not crazy about these. I don't love the colors together, and this is not what I paid for. I did contact the seller. I need to check my messages to see if they got back to me, because on the picture they definitely looked pink and this looked more of a turquoise. So, you know, I'll put the seller down below if y'all are interested. I wouldn't really suggest picking these up unless this is the color that you're looking for. But on the site, you will see the picture looks different. Or maybe I will pop the picture in here so y'all can see what I'm talking about, and y'all won't think I'm just crazy, exaggerating, being extra, being a drama queen. So this is these. Okay, so then lastly, I picked up a few t-shirts as well. So I think these shirts I only paid around $4 to $5 for, but when I went back on the site, I want to say they were around $6 to $8, something like that. So I'm not really sure. Maybe it was a sale that was going on, but I just picked up these cute little t-shirts. I thought these would be cute to pair with biker shorts or like with tights or even with an outfit. Like you can definitely style this up, tie it up in the front, put it with some jeans, whatever. So this one says Moschino on the front, and it has some little eyes on it. And this shirt is a size small. On the tag, it's just like a regular basic tag. It says 100% cotton, and then you have the little small logo on there. So this is how the shirt looks. You can tie it up. I think the small is kind of like oversized, but you know, it's like a regular small, but not like a fitted small, if you know what I mean. So that is that one. And also another thing to note is whenever you look at it on the website, this is going to look like a really deep dark black color, but it definitely looks more of a gray tone once you actually get it in. And then I also picked up this one. I just thought this one was cute, and it says Vogue on it, and then you have a little lady sitting on the Vogue, and I just thought she looked really cute with her little tutu type dress on. And you know, this is just something cute to throw on or whatever, so I picked up this one as well. They also do have sweatshirts. In this next t-shirt that I'm going to show you, I was going to get the sweatshirt, but I was like, it's hot right now. So if I like the t-shirt, then I'll pick the sweatshirt up for the winter time. So y'all know I love Barbie themed things, and this one has Barbie on it. So it says Barbie wants to be me, and y'all know I'm all about the doll life. So that is this one, and I just thought it was cute with the pink and everything. And then, yeah, it's just a cute little t-shirt. And this one I did see in a sweatshirt. I'm not sure if all the styles come in sweatshirts, but they do have sweatshirts and t-shirts available on the site. So I think that's everything that I wanted to include in this video. Actually, all of the items are from Aliexpress. So I guess this is the Aliexpress Boujee on a budget video. And yeah, I have more stuff coming in the mail, and I have another item that I'm probably going to film next separately, and then also include some other items in that I had already been having. I don't need to tell y'all that here, right? Just watch the next video. So yeah, I love you dolls. Bye.